5 miles from shore. Remember,
we're about to get a warning, guys.
Means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 362 remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorain, Medina, Portage and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Conneaut, including Lake Erie beyond 5 miles from shore.
The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity. Severe thunderstorm watch 362 in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time tonight. Tonight, thunderstorms likely. Some thunderstorms may produce damaging winds and large hail this evening. Lows in the lower 70s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms likely, mainly in the morning. Hot, humid with highs in the mid-80s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday night, showers and thunderstorms. Humid with lows in the upper 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Portage County, Trumbull County until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles west of and moving east of 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted including Warren, West Farmington, Bristol Hills, Portland, Kinsman. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Portage and Trumbull.
Urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm